So the basic problem is that he did not have a written estate plan. And why is that a problem? Well, number one, we're always worried about probate in California. Now, I'm going to point out, I'm talking to you as a California lawyer, and I'm presumably talking to California listeners primarily. But we're going to be talking about this under California law. You know, he was a resident of the UK, so the laws of the UK apply to him. But we're going to analyze this case as though it were under California law. So in California, we have a probate process. We're always trying to help our clients plan to avoid that process because it's very lengthy and very expensive. In this case, a $32 million estate, we don't know what the probate fees would be because in California, there is a statutory fee that the attorney gets and the executor gets. It doesn't go up to $32 million estates. The code just says, after $25 million, the court will figure it out. If this were a $25 million case, those statutory fees would be $376,000. Okay, so most families would choose to avoid that if they could. And that is pretty basic planning. Avoiding probate fees, that's basic planning. It's not complicated. It's nothing fancy. It's what we do all day, every day. And that's not the end of it. As I said, the court would figure out what the fee should be for that extra above $25 million. And the attorney fee and executor fees are not the end of it in a probate. You got court fees, you have appraisal fees. And in this case, the assets are very complicated. It's not a bank account. It requires licensed appraisers to value these various unusual alternative type assets. You know, how do you evaluate music publishing rights? So things like that, that's going to cost money too. It's also going to take time. Our California probates are taking a year to a year and a half. I would imagine a complicated one like this is going to take a bit longer just to get the control of all the assets and to get valuations on all of the assets.
Thank you for joining us today for another episode of Absolute Trust Talk Live. If you enjoyed listening in, then don't forget to subscribe. You can find us on Apple Podcasts or wherever you may listen by searching Absolute Trust Talk. While you're there, we would also love for you to leave us a review. And then why not share your favorite episodes with family, friends, or colleagues too? You can find all of our shows and corresponding show notes by visiting absolutetrustcounsel.com. You'll also find a variety of other free resources, including our ebooks, videos, blogs, presentations, and more. If you need help with your estate planning or administration, we also offer a free discovery call to help get the process started. You can find more information on booking your session by visiting absolutetrustcounsel.com/scheduling. Don't forget to keep an eye out for our next live episode. If you join us for the broadcast, you can submit questions during the show. But if not, don't worry. You can always get in touch with us by sending a quick message to info@absolutetrustcounsel.com. Thanks again for listening. We'll see you soon.